Today we're going to remove an integration control model from a 92 Acura Integra. And I've already got part of the interior taken apart, but the way you get the cover off over here is there's a screw right here, a grommet screw. There's another one right here, and then there's one right here in one of these two holes. And then you're going to need to unplug a bunch of stuff. You want to unplug this plug and this brown plug, and then we've got this green plug, this gray plug, and there's a black plug above the green plug that you can't see because my light's not giving you enough light. But you got to remove those plugs. I'm going to stop, and because I couldn't see it, there's also a green plug above the black plug. And I don't think you can see it on this one either. There it is. That green plug and that black plug have got to be removed. Okay, next there's two 10mm bolts that have got to be removed. One is right here, and the other one is up above where that green plug was. You can't see it. It's completely blind and it is hard to get to. But you got to snake your 10mm ratchet with an extension up there and get it removed. Okay, once those two bolts are removed, you can see the integration control unit right here. And you can, on mine, I'm just going to pull it out just enough to get it out. There's a plug at the top. You can kind of see it. That's got to be unplugged. It's right here. And that's got to be unplugged. All right, here is the integration control unit removed. Now, since my box is in better condition than the box from the one I got the new unit from, I'm going to switch out the board from the box. And you do that by very carefully prying these two points on both sides away until the lid comes off. Okay, so putting it back in is the reverse. You want to put that red plug back in first and then clip it in the same way you took it out, and then fight with that top blind bolt till it gets back in, and then do the bottom bolt and then plug your plugs back in and you're all set. I have my interior taken apart because I was working on some stereo stuff, but you don't have to do that, but it is easier to have the driver's side front seat out when you're working underneath the dash over here. Hope this helps. Thank you.